Have you ever stared at the ceiling, wide awake, wondering why your body is tired, but your brain refuses to shut off? You toss, you turn, you check the clock. It's 2:17 a.m. Again. No matter how many pillows you fluff or how many times you switch positions, sleep just won't come. If this sounds like you, you're not alone. And here's something you might not expect: the solution to your sleep problem might come from the military. Yes, the military. Today, we're going to explore a sleep hack developed by the US Navy that's designed to put you to sleep in just 2 minutes. It's simple, effective, and you don't need anything: no apps, no supplements, no background music. All you need is your body, your breath, and about 6 weeks of practice. Let's get into it. We live in a world that's always on. We scroll before bed. We think about work. We worrying about tomorrow. Most people aren't struggling to fall asleep because they're not tired. They're struggling because their mind refuses to slow down. And when your nervous system is stuck in alert mode, even the softest pillow won't help. That's where this military technique comes in. It was created for pilots, men and women flying dangerous missions, needing rest between high-stress operations. Falling asleep fast wasn't a luxury. It was a necessity. The Navy pre-flight school developed this method to help pilots fall asleep anytime, anywhere, even in loud, uncomfortable, and unfamiliar conditions. Here's why it works. This technique targets your autonomic nervous system, the system that controls your heart rate, breathing, and stress response. By consciously relaxing certain muscle groups and slowing your breath, you send a message to your brain that says, "We're safe now. You can rest." It's kind of like hacking your body into sleep mode. You're not forcing sleep. You're removing the resistance. Over time, your body learns that this process equals bedtime. It's like training your muscles at the gym, but for sleep. And studies have shown that 96% of people using this technique were able to fall asleep in under 2 minutes after just 6 weeks of nightly practice. Let's walk through the method step by step. Find a quiet, dark place to lie down. Dim the lights. Turn off your phone or place it face down. Now, close your eyes and follow my voice. Step 1. Relax your face. Let go of the tension in your forehead. Loosen your jaw. Unclench your teeth. Let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Soften the muscles around your eyes. Imagine your entire face melting into the pillow. Step 2. Drop your shoulders. Let them sink down deep into the mattress. Feel the tension melt away from your neck. Now let your arms go limp, from your biceps to your elbows to your fingertips. No need to hold anything. Let go. Step 3. Relax your chest. Take a deep breath in. Now slowly exhale. As you breathe out, feel your chest become lighter, softer, quieter. Let your lungs breathe naturally. No control. No pressure. Step 4. Relax your legs. Begin with your thighs. Let them go heavy. Then your knees, your calves, and finally, let your feet fall to the sides. Your entire body should now feel warm, heavy, grounded. Don't try to force sleep. Just be still. Now that your body is at rest, it's time to calm your mind. This part is simple but powerful. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place. Maybe you're floating on a calm lake, the water gently rocking you. Or you're lying in a dark room with soft moonlight on your face. Let your thoughts slow down. If a worrying comes up, don't engage with it. Just watch it float away. Then, repeat this phrase silently in your mind. Don't think, don't think, don't think. Say it slowly, gently, like a rhythm. Repeat it for 10 to 15 seconds, then allow your mind to fade into silence. Most people fall asleep right around this point. But even if you don't, you'll notice your body feels more relaxed than it has in days. And that's a win. This isn't a magic trick. It's a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice. You may not fall asleep in 2 minutes on the first night. But if you stay consistent night after night, your brain will begin to associate this routine with rest. Soon, your body will respond automatically. So tonight, give it a try. Turn off the noise. Breathe deeply. Follow the steps. And let go. And if you want more science-backed techniques like this, subscribe to the Sleep Code. We'll be here every week, helping you fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up better. Until next time, sleep well.